Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install non-slip treads in your bathtub. Okay, putting non-slip treads on the bottom of your tub is a great way to keep yourself safe when you're showering. The very first thing you want to do is clean the bottom of that tub with a very good cleaner. Something with a little bleach isn't a bad idea. Spray that cleaner on the tub, let it sit there for a little bit, and then use a rag or a scrub brush, whatever it is, to get that as clean as possible so that when you put down the adhesive strips, they'll stick. Okay, once the tub is clean, you're going to go ahead and peel those treads, which are self-adhesive here. And you really can put them any way you want. You could put them down the center if you like. You can go on an angle. It all depends on what you're more comfortable with. On these, I'm going to try and go symmetrical. And so I'm going to go straight up and down, and I'm just going to put the treads down there and push them in place. Now, it's not a bad idea to take a tape measure just to get some sort of spacing, and I'm just going to put this on the very end of my tread, and I'm going to space these out every 3 inches or so right on the center. And then you continue down the line until you're done. You can place these treads any way you'd like. If you want to have additional treads because you want more safety and security, you may want to buy 2 packages. Coming up next, my video on how to clean grout.